the arms trade, invest millions in Elbit Systems alone. Elbit Systems, Israel's largest arms manufacturer. Elbit Systems, which builds the drones, which builds the bombs, which builds the bullets that are massacring Palestinians right now in Gaza in an 11-month genocide committed by the Israeli regime with the full support and permission of the Western countries, of Britain, of America. These countries that are profiting from the murder, the displacement, the death and destruction, the killing of children. Over 40,000 children dead now in Gaza. Murdered. Kids.